A must-have in your kitchen toolkit doesn't need to be high-tech or extravagant. In this video, we'll show you 22 kitchen gadgets that may not be life-changing, but can certainly make meal preparation more enjoyable. Let's get started. Discover the art of traditional coffee making with the DESTALYA Turkish coffee pot, crafted from premium stainless steel with a food-safe tin lining that preserves the authentic aroma of your brew. The elegant design features a heat-resistant black handle for comfortable, secure pouring and adds a touch of cultural charm to any kitchen. This versatile pot goes beyond coffee preparation to serve as your go-to tool for brewing tea, melting butter, frothing milk, warming honey, and preparing small batches of sauces, gravies, and soups. With a generous 10.114 fluid ounce capacity, it's perfectly sized for your daily brewing needs. Experience effortless blending with the OVENTE electric immersion hand blender, powered by a robust 300-watt motor that quickly transforms ingredients into smooth smoothies, creamy soups, marinades, sauces, and fresh juices. The versatile design offers 2 speed settings, allowing you to achieve perfect texture and consistency with just one touch. Engineered for comfort and control, this sleek hand blender features an ergonomic non-slip handle that ensures a secure, comfortable grip during operation. The slim stainless steel shaft is crafted from food-grade materials and designed to fit virtually any mixing bowl, pot, or beaker for maximum versatility. Enjoy cleaner, better-tasting water with the Brita Metro water filter pitcher, a compact 6-cup solution for pure refreshment. This BPA-free pitcher effectively reduces chlorine taste and odor while filtering out harmful impurities like copper, cadmium, and mercury from your tap water. Designed for convenience, the pitcher features an easy-fill locking lid that prevents spills and makes refilling effortless. The smart electronic filter indicator eliminates guesswork by alerting you when it's time for a filter change, ensuring consistently clean water. Protect your surfaces in style with WLWNWFT wood coasters, crafted from premium acacia wood that surpasses both bamboo and oak in durability. This exceptionally hard wood, combined with absorbent cork interior, creates coasters that are both beautiful and functional. Each 4.113-inch coaster features unique, striking wood grain patterns that add natural elegance to any table setting. The innovative design includes an absorbent cork layer that effectively handles drink condensation, while non-slip EVA padding on the base prevents scratches and keeps coasters firmly in place. Make your kitchen routine more sustainable with AIRNEX natural kitchen sponges. Thoughtfully crafted from biodegradable white cellulose and natural coconut fiber scrubbers. These eco-friendly sponges bring a green solution to your daily dishwashing needs while delivering superior cleaning performance. Designed with your health in mind, these natural sponges feature a porous structure that dries quickly, preventing the growth of harmful bacteria and eliminating unpleasant odors. The innovative S-shaped design fits comfortably in your hand, reducing strain during extended cleaning sessions. Experience versatile cooking convenience with the Ninja Crispi portable cooking system, combining the power of a full-sized air fryer with Tempware glassware. Choose between the compact 6-cup container for personal meals or the generous 4-quart size that accommodates a whole chicken with vegetables. Built with thermal shock-resistant borosilicate glass, this revolutionary system transforms frozen ingredients into crispy perfection using 4 versatile cooking functions: Max Crisp, Bake, Air Fry, and Recrisp. The thoughtful design includes heat-safe feet and leak-proof lids for safe transport and storage. Speed up your meal prep with the Geedel food chopper, featuring sharp stainless steel blades that dice and chop ingredients faster than traditional knife work. This versatile kitchen tool can be used directly on your cutting board or with its included base for quick, efficient food preparation. Safety comes first with this design. Simply slap the top to activate the chopping mechanism, eliminating any risk of blade contact during use. Perfect for both novice cooks and culinary experts, This user-friendly chopper comes with clear instructions for immediate, confident use. Add natural elegance to your home with these handcrafted walnut wood wall hooks. Expertly crafted from premium walnut, these hooks combine timeless beauty with modern functionality, supporting up to 22 pounds of weight for all your hanging needs. Their sleek, minimalist design effortlessly complements any interior style, from mid-century modern to farmhouse chic. Installation couldn't be simpler, with included mounting hardware and a detailed template that ensures perfect placement every time. These versatile hooks provide reliable storage for coats, bags, towels, and accessories throughout your home, from entryways and bedrooms to bathrooms and laundry rooms. Transform your morning coffee routine with this versatile 4-in-1 electric milk frother from CanvasLot. With just one touch, create perfectly heated milk, hot cream foam, cold foam, or indulgent hot chocolate. The precision heating system warms milk to an ideal 60 to 65 degrees Celsius in just 2 to 3 minutes, preserving its nutritional value and enhancing flavor. Designed for sharing moments with family and friends, this generous frother holds up to 350 milliliters for heating or 160 milliliters for frothing. The durable 304 stainless steel construction features an anti-scratch interior and separate base to prevent overheating, ensuring both safety and easy cleaning. Add a splash of artistry to your dining experience with these stunning handcrafted resin salad servers from Folkulture. Each 12-inch server features elegant scalloped edges and unique color patterns, making every set a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. The ergonomically designed spoon and fork combination provides a comfortable, secure grip, while the generous size perfectly suits standard salad bowls. Expertly crafted from hand-poured resin, these versatile servers aren't just for salads, they're perfect for serving pasta, fruits, and vegetables with style. Bring sophisticated comfort to your dining space with these elegant mid-century modern chairs from ALLFONIS. Showcasing a rich walnut finish and luxurious faux leather upholstery, these chairs perfectly blend timeless style with contemporary function. The innovative 360-degree swivel base allows smooth, effortless movement, making conversation and interaction natural and comfortable. Built for lasting performance, these chairs feature premium bentwood construction with reinforced structural support, confidently supporting up to 315 pounds. Experience precision vegetable cutting with the Mad Shark Nakiri chef knife, expertly crafted for both home cooks and professionals. This specialized knife features a thin, straight blade with a subtle curve that delivers flawless up and down chopping motion. The unique squared-off tip ensures complete cutting board contact for perfectly uniform slices every time. Forged from premium German molybdenum vanadium stainless steel, this razor-sharp knife maintains its exceptional edge through extensive use. Whether you're julienning peppers, mincing herbs, or slicing onions, the ultra-sharp blade makes quick work of any vegetable preparation task. Keep your favorite beverages at the perfect temperature with the House Gem Mug Warmer. This powerful 36-watt warming plate lets you choose from 3 precise temperature settings: 176, 150, or 130 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your drink stays exactly as warm as you like it. Engineered with safety in mind, this UL-certified warmer features a waterproof heating surface, clear LED display, and customizable auto shutdown timer, ranging from 2 to 12 hours. The generous 5.2-inch heating plate accommodates nearly any cup size, even those without flat bottoms, making it incredibly versatile for all your beverage needs. This multifunctional system includes dedicated spots for dishes, pots and pans, cutting boards, knives, utensils, cups, wraps, and paper towels, plus 5 utility hooks, all designed to drain directly into your sink for a cleaner countertop. Crafted from premium stainless steel that's passed rigorous salt testing, this durable rack supports up to 200 pounds while remaining completely rust-proof. The adjustable design expands from 29.1 to 37.4 inches, accommodating both single and double sinks with its 2-tier shelving system. Preserve your cookware with BOYAN pot and pan protectors, a comprehensive set of 12 non-woven protective pads in 3 convenient sizes. Each pack includes 4 large 15-inch, 4 medium 14-inch, and 4 small 10.3-inch protectors, with the flexibility to trim them for a custom fit. Designed for versatility, these protective pads safeguard your pots, pans, skillets, bowls, and bakeware from scratches and damage during storage. The premium polyester felt material features a non-slip texture that keeps stacked items stable while remaining lightweight and easy to clean. Experience professional-grade cooking convenience with the Elite Gourmet Convection Oven, featuring an expansive 45-liter capacity that accommodates 18 slices of toast, 2 14-inch pizzas, or a 7-pound turkey. The French dual-door design saves counter space while providing flexible access to your cooking items. Engineered for versatility, this oven combines powerful convection technology with a rotisserie function to deliver flakier crusts, richer flavors, and perfectly roasted meats. The independent temperature controls allow precise heating up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, with separate settings for top and bottom elements. Restore your dull knives to razor-sharp perfection with the WWN Kitchen Knife Sharpener, featuring premium tungsten carbide sharpening rods that repair and realign damaged blades. This professional-grade tool efficiently reshapes blades to their optimal V-shape edge with just a few passes. Built for lasting performance, this sharpener combines Himalayan tungsten carbide, solid stainless steel, and durable nylon construction, backed by an impressive 60-month warranty. The robust design ensures reliable sharpening power for over 5 years of regular use. Keep your kitchen organized with the DEKAVA paper towel holder, a space-saving solution that accommodates any paper towel roll up to 11.8 inches in length. This versatile holder mounts easily to walls or under cabinets, freeing up valuable counter space while keeping paper towels readily accessible. Crafted from premium SUS 304 stainless steel, this durable holder resists rust and water damage for long-lasting performance. The sleek design allows for easy cleaning with regular detergent while maintaining its pristine appearance. Experience superior cleaning power with AIDEA non-scratch scrub sponges, featuring a dual-sided design that combines gentle yet effective scrubbing with excellent absorption. The high-density sponge maintains its shape while the sturdy abrasive pad tackles tough messes without scratching delicate surfaces. Crafted from sustainable materials, these durable sponges rinse clean and dry quickly to prevent odors. For deep sanitization, simply run them through your dishwasher. The tear-resistant construction stands up to demanding use, effectively removing even burned-on food while maintaining its integrity. Crafted from clean, durable bamboo, these expandable organizers adjust from 16.77 to 20.85 inches to perfectly fit your space. If you find them compressed from shipping, simply pull the dividers to full length for optimal use. The thoughtful design includes protective anti-scratch pads that shield your drawers from damage while keeping everything neatly separated. Ready to use straight from the package with no installation required, these dividers offer instant organization for any room in your home, from kitchen utensils and office supplies to bedroom essentials and garage tools. Organize your kitchen and simplify meal prep with these versatile CXPSINC food storage containers. Each set includes 50 durable containers with 50 matching airtight lids that create a leak-proof seal, keeping food fresh while preventing spills and messes. Crafted from premium heavyweight polypropylene that's completely BPA-free, these clear containers allow you to easily identify contents at a glance. Designed for convenience, these multi-purpose containers are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them perfect for everything from meal prepping to storing leftovers. The restaurant-quality construction withstands daily use while neatly stacking to maximize storage space. Crafted from premium 100% polyester fabric, this apron delivers superior resistance against oil spills and food stains while remaining surprisingly lightweight for extended wear. The precision-stitched edges prevent fraying, ensuring this versatile apron maintains its quality through countless uses. Designed to fit all body types, this generously sized 26.77 x 33.07-inch apron features adjustable shoulder straps that extend from 13.5 to 24 inches, while the 35.5-inch tie straps provide a customized, secure fit. Two spacious front pockets measuring 6.2, 5.5 inches keep essential tools, utensils, or even your smartphone within easy reach during cooking or other activities.